I created my Duality LED Track System back in August 25, and there was a lot of positive feedback. Immediately there were some requests for track sections like across, T, more angle options, and seamless diffusers. I quickly responded by adding them to the system. Over the past few months, I've been looking at some other popular requests that are a little more specialized. For example, the ability to mount the track in a corner of a ceiling and wall at a 45-degree angle, similar to crown molding. Full radius turns, seamless diffusers with no pattern, a larger, more versatile base. Well, you get the idea. The ceiling corner mounting comes with some challenges, like compound angles and diffuser continuity. After a lot of development, this scenario is now possible with what I am calling Duality 707. The solution was new connector mounts that set the angle, as well as a corresponding base, 4 compound turn sections, including 90-degree, inside and outside, and 45-degree inside and outside. The compound angles presented a problem with the diffusers, but I was able to solve this by creating a break line, allowing the diffuser to be printed flat and folded into place, eliminating a potential hotspot at the seam. Full radius turns have their own issues. They need to sync with the original track sections like T's and crosses, as well as remaining tangent to the adjacent sections. My solution is what I'm calling Duality Tangent, full radius turns with 3 different radii for both 90 and 45-degree turns. The options are radius of 225mm, 175mm, and 100mm. Another issue with the full radius turns is the diffuser patterns. You see, patterns are typically either rectangular or circular, but not both. If you look at my seamless 3D hex diffusers, you'll see that on the 90-degree turn diffuser, the pattern is actually mitered at the corner of the radius because it is a rectangular pattern. So when we make the turn a full radius, we lose a little continuity. While the 3D hex seamless does look nice on the full radius, I decided to create a new seamless pattern, Nautilus. This pattern is subtle and one step closer to blank seamless diffusers, consisting of equal arcs from the center line of the track. They can be patterned both rectangularly and circularly without deformation, or what I call the pie slice effect. I came up with the idea because it resembles a half section of a Nautilus shell. The Nautilus diffuser should be printed on a layer height of 0.2mm. The first 2 layers should be white and the rest should be a light blocking color, unless of course you want side glow, which is also an option. I will be printing, assembling, and installing 2 different tracks in my office using the new Duality upgrade. Assembly is the same as the original track system, including connectors with locating key. The connectors no longer need to be tapped. I have modeled the threading into all connectors, including the Duality 707 connectors. I'm going to install a track using some of the new tangent sections and show both the new Nautilus diffusers and the 3D hex diffusers. I assembled the track in sections that are as big as I could handle myself. I used my recommended foam mounting tape and checked for plumb as I pressed the sections onto the wall. I'm not going to use a regular base track here. If you want to learn about the base track option, watch my original Duality Track System video. I will be using the new controller base for a solderless option. I simply strip the wires at the end of the LED strip and insert it into the controller. I then installed the LED strip, couplings, and diffusers. I drilled a hole for my power wires. This is just one example of the tangent sections. The options are limited only by your imagination. The seamless 3D hex diffusers look pretty good with the curved sections, but I think the knotless diffusers really shine here, pun intended. I'm going to assemble a 707 ceiling mount example, showing all the corner options, then install a corner example in my office ceiling. I'm not going to do the whole ceiling, but you will definitely get the idea. If you are going to use a base track, this is how it would look with the new mount. Again, I'm using foam mounting tape to mount to the wall. I'm only putting tape on one of the surfaces that contacts the wall. That way I can push it up to the ceiling and slide it back to the wall. If you put tape on both surfaces, it will be difficult to get them both to stick at the exact same time. I'm pleased with how these new expansion components turned out. What you can do with them, again, is only limited by your imagination. All components work with the original Duality LED Track System. Download link is in the description. As always, leave any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.